Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chewy fruit candy. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: fruit puree, granulated sugar, corn syrup, and a small amount of pectin. Precision in measuring these components is key to achieving the perfect texture. Before you begin cooking, prepare your chosen mold or baking pan by lining it with parchment paper or lightly greasing it. This preparation ensures easy removal of your delicious candy later on. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. Combine your fruit puree, granulated sugar, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent it from sticking or burning. The goal is to reach a specific temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for activating the pectin and achieving that delightful chewy consistency we're aiming for. Once your candy mixture reaches the target temperature, carefully pour it into your prepared pan. Smooth the top gently with a spatula. Now comes the waiting game. Allow the candy to set completely at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight. Once fully firm, invert the candy onto a cutting board. You can then cut it into your preferred shapes, like 1-inch squares or small rectangles. To give your chewy fruit candy a beautiful finish and prevent sticking, toss the individual pieces in a bowl of granulated sugar or powdered sugar. This step adds a lovely sparkle and a touch more sweetness. For optimal freshness, store your finished candy in an airtight container at room temperature. Properly stored, your delicious homemade chewy fruit candy will remain fresh and enjoyable for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.